Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 935 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can open it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through it, and scroll through the menu until you find the option called the settings. Once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. Now scroll through the settings, find the system option, and once you find it and select it, press the start button, and here scroll through the menu, find the option called restore defaults. Once you find it, select it, and then press the start button, and here scroll down, select yes, and press the start button to confirm. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.